Good.
We're here today with the CEO of Kohler Energy, Brian Melka. We're just going to ask a few questions and find out a little bit more about what's been going on with the company. So Brian, I heard that Platinum Group is going to take over the energy side of Kohler. Can you tell us some more about that?
Yeah, so Kohler is made after a long time evaluating this. Actually, the decision is to really set up the energy business as a separate business. And in part of that process, really the goal is to make sure that really both businesses, the core Kohler kitchen and bath, the plumbing business that we've been in for 150 years, and the energy business, which we've been in for a little over 100 years, are really structured for success. And it's really about growth and prosperity of both businesses. So after some consideration, we decided to separate the businesses, different operating structures, different customers, different channels, to really maximize that opportunity. And we brought in Platinum Equity, who will both be a majority investor, but also an operating partner. So they'll help us accelerate some of the investments and some of the improvements that are already underway, but we want to accelerate those going forward. And they're here to help us with that.
Sure. How did the conversation start up between Kohler and Platinum Equity? I think it would be interesting to know who was the first, for example, to get in touch with who and kick off the conversation.
It really started with an internal analysis and a strategic views of the business and what were the investment requirements, what were the right operating structures to really continue the strong growth that we've had. And energy has been on a tremendous growth pattern. Our business has nearly doubled in size in the last 3 years.
Yeah.
We've launched a lot of new products, as you saw some of the new products we talked about today. And just how do we take that and accelerate that even faster? So it was much more of an internal strategic decision. And then once we decided to separate them and set that up, we explored with a number of different partners, and there was a lot of interest because it's a really good business.
Yeah.
It's a really good industry with a lot of tailwinds across a number of markets that we're in. So we talked with a number of different partners, and we identified Platinum Equity really as the best, not just from a financial standpoint, but their ability to help us accelerate the growth trajectory that we're already on. So it was us reaching out to them. There was a lot of interest in the business at that point.
I'm sure.
And we think we found a really great partner who can, again, not only continue the investment, but to help us accelerate the improvements.
How will the management team be set up between you and Platinum?
So we'll continue with the management team that we have today. So once we close, I'll assume the role as CEO. Our business leaders that we have 7 different businesses that make up the energy group today. Each of them will continue to be in place, as well as the group staff. What will really happen is, instead of being part of the Kohler company, we'll have a new board of directors, which will be made up roughly half of the Platinum Equity Group.
Yeah.
There'll be some outside people, and then Kohler. Kohler will continue to be an investor in the business going forward, and we expect David Kohler will continue to actually be one of our board members. So my relationship with David changes a little bit, but I'll still be working with him on a pretty regular basis.
That sounds great.
Yeah.
Do you have any guarantees with Platinum in terms of investment and development trajectory?
Yeah, our focus right now is really on managing this transition, and we're putting our customers and our team members really at the center of that and making sure that that transition happens going forward. I've had a number of meetings with them. They understand the investments that we've made, they understand the investments we need to make, and there's a high level of alignment in going forward. That's really what they're interested in. They're not interested in a business that they're trying to fix so much as it really one that's on a great growth trajectory with great customers, great team members, and that continues to be the focus of our, the next 6 months. And as we manage through the transition, we continue to invest in new products. We're opening new manufacturing facilities. We're investing in our manufacturing facilities. And I expect that'll continue as we go forward.
Excellent. I don't see the business needing fixing at all.
No, I mean,
from my experience.
There's always opportunity for improvement.
I guess,
we try to win every single day and try to make sure our customers are taken care of every single day. We're humble in the fact that we understand there's a lot of opportunity for improvement, but we've been on a really great trajectory. The team is really focused on winning. It's focused on being with our customers, delivering the best products and services that we can, and I don't expect that to change. I mean, that's been our focus.
That's great. Thank you very much. Thanks for chatting with us.
Thank
very
you.
much
Thanks for your
appreciate it.
time.